Hey, these are repair shops. This is Carlos from ERD Powertrain. Do you find yourself in need of a supplier that can supply you with wire harness repair kits to fix control modules like this? This is the MCM control module found in Detroit diesel engines. Uh, they're mostly commonly found in Freightliner Cascadias DD13, 15, and 16. They have two connectors right here. Sometimes this is also called the ACM control module because they look similar. They both have the 21 pin and the 120 pin. ERD Powertrain has these repair kits in stock, ready to ship out anywhere in the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. They all come with a bundle wire. For example, this is the 120 pin. They're all pre-crimped. They have the wire seal, and they got a foot of wire that you can butt connect to your damaged harness. We also have the 21 pin. They also are pre-crimped, wire seal, and a foot of wire. We also have these extraction tools that extract the old pin from these connectors. These are really useful when it comes to extracting different types of pins from different types of connectors. Not only this works for this type of control module, but it could also work for different types like the MX13 control module. So I'm going to show you guys how I insert these pins into these connectors. So what you got to do first is all these connectors have a tab right here, this yellow tab right here. You got to unlock that by using a flathead screwdriver. What you do is you put the flathead screwdriver right here and you flip, you push up until you hear it click, just like that. Now this connector's unlocked and ready to insert the pins into the cavities. So what you do first, you grab one of these pins, as you can see, and then you insert these just like that until you hear it click. Boom. Now you have a pin secure, but you also, once you populate all these pins, you gotta lock this tab so these pins won't move. So once you lock this, you do the opposite. You push down on the top. I like to use a flathead screwdriver. What you do is you push down until you hear it click, just like that. And then now you can insert this into the control module, just like that. For this 120 pin, what you do is you unlock this. You do the same thing to this. This one also has a tab in there. You got to use your flathead screwdriver and you got to push up to unlock till you hear it click, just like that. Now this connector is unlocked. What you do is you grab your pin right here with the wire seal, and you insert this from the back, just like that. Oh, sorry. Just like that, and then you insert till you hear it click. Now you have brand new wire on there. To remove, or after you, same thing as the 21 pin, after you populate this whole thing, you gotta lock the tab. If you don't lock this tab, it's not gonna fit on this connector right here. So now you can push this in and lock it. To extract the pins out of this connector, you do the opposite. You unlock this tab, same thing as like the 21 pin. You unlock this tab just like that until you hear it click. You grab the extraction tool, where you can find this on our website, and you insert this in the same cavity that you insert the wire from. You insert this until it's flat, just like that, and then you pull on the wire, just like that. Now you extracted the pin. And that's how these tools are used. And you can find these repair kits on our website under repair kits /pigtails. If you like this type of content, leave a like, comment, and share. And share this with your diesel techs. And hopefully we can have these in your shop ready to go once one of these modules comes in, or the harness comes in, so you can repair these instead of replacing the whole harness. Remember, stay connected with the ERD Powertrain.